Our goal with EOS Canada is to build a leading block producer, leading by technology. So I think EOS is a piece of technology that will serve the whole world, and it needs to be ran by solid tech companies.
Since we've decided to jump full-time on this opportunity, together with the team, we've hired about 8 people. And, it's an amazing mix of technologists that are passionate about solving problems through technology, and people from different industries, from the banking industry, where we have a deep understanding of the challenges today in the ecosystem, as well as security experts, because I think it is essential that this chain launches in a very secure way to make sure that it succeeds.
One of the main things we're trying to build as a team is that we're building all this ecosystem tooling, all this infrastructure for the community. We truly believe that token holders should be looking for block producers that are adding value to the system.
And we've seen a lot of businesses where we can actually use a platform like EOS to disrupt a lot of businesses in insurance, in financial services, but also in all sorts of real use cases. The example Block One gives is Uber. I think it's a great example of how an economy could be put on the blockchain and eventually be distributed. It would be very hard to compete against such a system.
I've realized that the blockchain is essential and core to the many businesses we're going to launch in the future. It's going to completely transform how we do things. It's going to enable us to do different things that weren't possible yet. And I believe that EOS is solving the problems that the previous technology, blockchain technologies, weren't able to solve yet. And EOS has enough maturity for it to be able to really succeed in this ecosystem.
We want to lead by technology. So we've assembled a team of approximately 10 people now. We've got people writing smart contracts, looking at different D-apps, and building our infrastructure, revising security, doing threat modeling on the software itself to contribute back to the community what we're learning. And also we're building some libraries for different languages to be able to communicate with that blockchain, so that pops up to different developer ecosystems. I think that's going to be tremendous and super important in raising awareness for EOS and building things on top.
I truly believe that this is a historic moment where we will discover the challenges a little bit as we go. And I really want to make sure that we help each other, making sure that we face every challenge, as a large team competing for something, but still competing for a common goal, which is, what I believe is required when building very strong teams.
We're really excited to be running for June, and we're putting all our efforts into the basket, and we're going to have a blast with you guys.